nice to hear from somebody that I don't get to talk to on a regular basis. Are you active just talking like this with the right two type choosers, or are you just mainly contest station? Over.
Okay, 50-50. I used also, I love it to talk a little bit technical stuff on etc. I know so, but yeah, sometimes it's very, very nice to hear spoken that
Muy larga la antena, 520 dice que es, 530, 40, más o menos con la base, 3 plano a tierra, coaxil, 5 metros de coaxil, 20 metros, 14,200 y algo. Y un lugar maravilloso.
Yeah, the radio sports, that's very important, of course. And yeah, that's fine. I mean,
Parece alemán,
I'm not in that. I'm not interested in it that much, but I understand why people do it and what makes it so exciting. All good. All right. Well, thanks very much for the nice contact, and I wish you a very nice rest of the Saturday.